There was a fractions like Hindu Mahasabha who were doing the movement to ensure that Hindustan is never partitioned. In fact, in Dhaka, there were processions which were going on to say that Akhand Hindustan, not Akhand Bharat, Akhand Hindustan ki baat hum karenge. We can't have Hindustan partition.
Because the idea of East Bengal never existed.
Yes, and East Bengal is basically that part which is the root of Hindutva per se, or Hindu nationalism. Hindu nationalism definitely finds the roots in East Bengal. When Bankim Chandra is writing Anand Math, when you read the poem Vande Mataram, there's a lot of reference to flora, fauna, why he's talking about the rivers, etc. All these things are very much existing. And where these references are coming from? These references are coming from eastern part of Bengal. All the great revolutionaries and all the great Hindu nationalists happen to come from that region, who observed what is the importance of Hindu nationalism. There was an abstract idea of motherland, but this abstract idea was further taken ahead by the Bengalis when they came up the idea of mother goddess, and that's what we see in Vande Mataram poem, where she is manifested as the mother goddess Durga. She is seen as Saraswati. She is seen as every form of Devi, and Bengal is a land which worship the Shakti. While Shakti worshipping is there, it definitely means that they are entangled with the idea of worshipping the mother. The Anand Math is all about how to really get motherland protected from the invaders or the people who don't belong here. Rabindranath Tagore, he had problem with the Western nationalism, but the way he perceived the whole idea of worshipping your motherland, as Bengalis had been doing, he never had a problem with. He was all way with it, because there is a very strong distinction. That strong distinction is, while whole of the world loves their nation, we worship our nation.
We see it as a sacred sanctity.
Yes, we see it as a sacred entity. And definitely when you are applying a Western nationalism and when you see the indigenous nationalism of India,
Right.
they will have a difference, because you have this nationalism for somebody whom you see as a deity, whom you see as so sacred.